How to remove dark circles with rose water. If you are suffering from the issue of dark circles and you have sensitive skin, rose water can be a real boon for you. Rose water is extremely mild and it has the property to nourish and rejuvenate the skin naturally. You can use rose water on the under eye area in different ways to get visible improvements within a week. You can pick any of the following methods depending on the intensity of dark circle you have got and the time you have at hand. However, always make it a point to be religious about applying these treatments, because home remedies will not show effective results unless they are used regularly. Here are few methods that you can use for removing dark circles with rose water. First method for removing dark circles with rose water. Pure rose water, 2 spoons. This is one of the simplest ways of using rose water for removing dark circles. Rose water is mild enough to be used directly onto the under eye skin. So, soak 2 cotton pads in sufficient rose water and place them on your eyes, covering the under eye area fully. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then remove. You can also use cold rose water to enhance the relaxation. You can take this treatment even 2 until 3 times in a day. Second method for removing dark circles with rose water. Pure rose water, 2 spoons. Cucumber juice, 1 spoon. Lemon juice, 1 to 2 drops. Grate a fresh cucumber and squeeze out the juice. Now mix 2 spoons of pure rose water with 1 spoon of this cucumber juice. The next thing to add to this mixture is 1 to 2 drops of lemon juice. Soak 2 cotton pads in this mixture and place them on your eyes, covering the under eye area. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then remove and wash with normal water. Third method for removing dark circles with rose water. Pure rose water, 2 spoons. Potato juice, 1 spoon. When it comes to treating discoloration on skin, there can be hardly anything more effective than potato juice. You can use potato juice mixed with rose water to get the best effects of both the ingredients and to remove your dark circles quickly. Grate a potato and squeeze out the juice. Mix 1 spoon of this fresh potato juice with 2 spoons of rose water, soak 2 cotton pads in this mixture and place them covering the under eye area. Let it sit for 15 until 20 minutes, then remove the cotton pads and wash off with plain water. Fourth method for removing dark circles with rose water. Pure rose water, 2 spoons. Whole milk, 1 spoon. Milk has extensive skin nourishing properties, and by using whole milk mixed with rose water you can get rid of dark circles easily. Mix pure rose water with whole milk and use this mixture to soak 2 cotton pads. Place these cotton pads covering your under eye area. Let it set for 15 to 20 minutes and then remove. Wash off with normal water. You can follow any of the above measures regularly to get visible improvements in your dark circle condition.